Aloha, this is Dave Viviano, Executive Chef at the Fairmont Orchid, and I'm here to share with you today one of my most favorite refreshing beverages. It's a green tea limeade. So, 3 simple ingredients: lime juice, green tea, and then finally just a little bit of sugar. So I'm gonna walk you through it. I recommend an electric juicer. If you don't have one of these, it will change your life. It will make juicing lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruit so much easier. You can start your day with a fresh cup of orange juice, grapefruit juice, whatever you want. Have fresh juice for your drinks, so a beautiful thing to have in your pantry. If not, go back to the classic way, which is hand squeeze. Get a hand squeezer, go ahead. It'll also improve your muscles in your hands. Finally, use a great green tea. So we use Lot 35 here, a great sencha green tea from Japan. I recommend brewing it at 195 degrees for about 3 to 5 minutes. Use a high quality water. You'll really get to taste all those wonderful flavors from tea. If you're making it for your keiki, decaf green tea. I do it at home. My kids don't know the difference and they love it. They think they're doing a big boy beverage with daddy, so it's great. And finally is a little bit of sugar. So that's it, 3 ingredients, you can do it at home. This is simple. So we're gonna use a shaker here. We're gonna do 1 part lime juice. You want to, this might be a little tartar, but that's okay. And about 2 parts green tea. You can brew it ahead of time. I have a beautiful Japanese style tea kettle here, but whatever you like, you can brew it at home. And then we're gonna put some sugar in. So I like mine a little tart, but I would say probably 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure this is on nice and tight. Shake it up, have fun with it, spin it around, do it over your shoulder, create a little excitement. We're gonna pour this refreshing beverage over some ice. I have a beautiful reusable straw here. Get away from single-use plastic, please. And that is it. And that looks absolutely delicious. 3 simple ingredients and you have a wonderful green tea limeade. As good as anything you can get at a coffee shop. Mahalo, enjoy.